Hi all, welcome to Python tutorial. In this lecture, we will see tuple in a Python. What is a tuple? In Python, tuple is used to store sequence of immutable elements in a Python. Tuple is similar to list, since the values of items stored in a list can be changed, whereas tuple is immutable, and the values of list stored in the tuple cannot be changed. What does it mean? Like, since tuples are immutable in nature, here immutable means like once we declare the data within a tuple, like we have declared 1, 2, 3, 4, we cannot change its value. We cannot remove this, or we cannot add this, or we cannot add any value at the end by using inbuilt methods, because there was no such methods for the tuple. Immutable means like once we declare, we cannot change anything. And this is the syntax using inbuilt method, and this is we can also declare using parentheses. These are the methods in the tuple. If you want to find out the largest number within a tuple, for that we have a method called max. If you want to find the minimum value within a tuple, for that we have a method called min. Or if you want to find out the first index position of a value, like you have some value 2 and you want to find out where this value, at which index this position value is there. At that time you can use index. And if you want to count the number of occurrences of values within a list, at the time you can use count. Let's see all these examples in code. Declare a simple tuple, name it as tuple 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to find out the number of occurrences of 1 within a tuple, so this is the syntax, like tuple variable name dot method count, and within the parentheses you have to mention whatever the value you want to count. So here I want to count number of occurrences of 1 within a tuple 1. So if we see here, we got value 4. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4 ones within a tuple. So if you want to find out the minimum value within a tuple, you can also do it. Print. I think there is some error in it. We have given it's syntactically incorrect. We have to pass within the parameters. So if you see here, we got the value 1. And similarly for max, if you want to get the maximum element within a tuple, simply use max of tup1. So you got the value 7. If you want to retrieve any index value, suppose if you want to get the index value of 5 or index value of 7, you can simply mention the value index of 6 you want to get, at which index position the 6 value exists. At index 5, the 6 value exists. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5. So at index 5, the 6 value exists. So these are the methods present in this tuple. That's all for today's lecture. Let's meet in another lecture. Thank you.